Here are 3 of the biggest pains uncovered and what you can do about them. Number 1 is technical issues. Nothing is more frustrating than having the tools to do your job, but not being able to get them to work. Some technical fixes can be accomplished with additional training. Others may take revamping your system. Give your employees the tools they need to effectively do their work. The second is lack of workplace flexibility. Does it really matter where the job gets done, as long as it gets done? Yes, there are some jobs that can only be done in the workplace, running a machine, taking care of a customer in a store, but most jobs have some aspect that can be done from home. Trust your employees and give them opportunities to occasionally work from home. And the third is too many meetings. Studies have shown that some employees can spend as much as 40 to 50% of their week in meetings. That's just too much time, especially since many of these meetings are not a productive use of that particular employee's time. Make it okay for your employees to say no to meetings that they don't really need to attend. Little annoyances over time can cause big issues. Take the time to assess how your company may be hindering your employees and causing them to leave.